Welcome to the Holistics Data Solutions Step-by-Step video guide. Holistics is a full-stack data platform that lets teams build analytics from their databases and sources with minimal effort. We first need to connect to SQL database. Holistics has various database and data warehouse integrations. By whitelisting IP addresses or using reverse tunnels, we can connect to our database in seconds. I can now create models from my data tables by selecting only the tables I want to model, instead of dealing with all the tables in my database. We can import data from other sources, such as Google Sheets. I can just paste the URL from Google Sheets to automatically load my spreadsheet data into the database I connected earlier, which I can schedule to load on a recurring basis. This creates a data import base model. For SQL users, I can also use SQL to build SQL models for more complex transformations. I can now add a calculated field to my model, which is a virtual column that lets me run calculations and operations on my model fields using SQL. Similarly, adding a measure allows me to run aggregations such as sum, average, and more by again using SQL to calculate a metric. I can then add relationships between my models, which indicates how models are connected to each other, such as via one-to-one, one-to-many, or many-to-one relationships between fields. Once we've completed setting up our models, we can then generate a dataset by selecting the relevant models we want to provide to our teams. I can drag and drop to build dashboards, metrics, and reports with the flexibility to explore the full range of data that has been modeled and unified for their easy access. Customizing and formatting the labels and data displayed just takes a few clicks. As all these analytics are built on SQL-based data models, you can reuse these data models to standardize reporting and transformations across your different teams and data sources. Adding filters to a dashboard is just a matter of selecting the field I want from my dataset. I can now pull up the specific views from my data that I want to use. This lets me easily explore my charts and data in a dynamic way. And finally, I can set schedules such as via email, Slack, or Google Sheets to deliver my analytics automatically. This way, I can keep my recipients updated with the latest data and insights without any extra effort. There's much more you can do with the Holistics Data Platform. Find out how you can fully set up your team's analytics workflows and data stack in minutes. See you soon!